Okay, so this was supposed to go in the last video, but then Mr. Clark came in. He started talking, so here we go, where we left off. It says, use this and give me the inequalities in slope-intercept form, and I kind of already labeled for you. So like the dash one is inequality 1. That's the one we'll do first, inequality 1. And then the solid one will be inequality 2. So for inequality 1, dashed, I can see that the y-intercept is a 1. And if I pick another point, I'm going to pick a perfect little point. Let's see, I can't see very clearly. Right here. And I'm going to do rise over run. Down 2 over 2. So 2 over 2 is just 1, and this is negative. So it's just negative 1. So I'm going to write y. Now go to your y-intercept. Where was this shaded to? Okay, is it above or below? And in this case, it was below. So we're gonna put less, no equal to sign, because it was dashed, and put your slope, negative x plus 1. And there it is. Now we go and write inequality number 2. So the y-intercept of the solid one is negative 1. And the slope, let me pick another point, I'll pick this one right here, is rise 1, run 2, so it's 1/2, and it's positive. So it'll be y. Now where is this shaded to? Well, this one is shaded above. So it'll be greater than or equal to 1/2 x minus 1. And you're probably getting confused right here. This should not be shaded at all. This should be completely white. Okay, so don't get confused there. Now on the last step, this is the one where we keep practicing changing slope-intercept into standard form. Okay, so I'm going to take the first one, y less than negative x plus 1. And I'm going to take my other one. And remember, standard form, you just want the x to be together with the y. So if he's negative, now he's going to become positive. I still have my plus y, my less than sign, and now I just have a 1. I got no negative, perfect, and I got no fractions. This is actually it. This is the standard form of the dashed one. For this one, we're going to do the same. This positive fraction is not going to become negative. I still have my plus y, my inequality, and my negative 1. I don't want any negatives, and I don't want the 2. So let's kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Let's multiply everybody by a negative 2. So what that's going to happen is that's going to cancel this part, leaving me with the top only, the x. 1x. Negative 2 times y is a negative 2y. I am multiplying by a negative, so golden rule, flip your sign, and negative 2 times negative 1, positive 2. So there it is. It's the same thing. Same thing as if you were to have changed the sign, changed the sign, changed the sign, and then multiplied by 2. Okay, so that was yesterday's lesson.